let people know what Manuka is. What makes it so special?
There is a content called DHA and MGO. It is not to be found in any other honey in the world. So these two contents make it most premium honey in the world.
I lift it over spoon से गिराता ना, you see it falling slowly. It's so viscous in nature.
The viscosity tells you the honey doesn't have any adulteration.
लोगों को पता नहीं है मनुका क्या चीज है.
Because the properties of antibacterial properties are high,
Yeah.
so it works on different segment in the body according to which you need. So US Army का सबसे बड़ा order is for मनुका हनी बैंडेज.
हनी को खाने का क्या सीजन है? क्योंकि गर्मियों में नहीं खाना चाहिए.
ये सबसे बड़ा मिथ है कि सर्दियों में खाना चाहिए और गर्मियों में नहीं खाना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर ये इस मैथ्स पे होगा कि आपको गर्मियों में नहीं खाना, तो यूएई वाले कभी जिंदगी में शायद नहीं खाएंगे.
They're comparing it with the regular honey that we have, and that is nowhere close to it.
Comparison should be done with apple to apple, not apple to pineapple. Manuka honey is only grown for 4 to 6 weeks in 1 year. शहद एक ऐसी चीज है which doesn't expire. अगर natural product है, it takes about 55,000 bees to create 1 jar of honey.
जब भी आप किसी when you go to buy clothes, फैब्रिक खरीदना है आपने, आप एक फैब्रिक के स्टोर जाते हैं, किसी कपड़े की दुकान पे जाते हैं, you turn 1,000 prints before selecting the one that you feel suits your personality, जो आपको पसंद आता है. आप शॉप पे शॉप बदलते रहते हैं to find that one print where you feel that yeah, this one is made for me and I'm made for this kind of a print. Ever wonder life is something like that? आप स्टेशन टू स्टेशन बदलते रहते हैं until and unless you find the station which you feel is cut out for you. Entrepreneurship is also that kind of a journey, There are people sometimes, it doesn't happen with everyone, कि मतलब आपने जो बिजनेस किया आप उसी के अंदर चल पड़े. कई लोग कई तरीके के बिजनेस करते हैं until they find their own true calling कि ये अब जाके सेटल हुआ है, मुझे ये करना था. Just imagine the pain behind that, क्योंकि आपने एक चीज करी वो नहीं चली या आपको पसंद नहीं आया, फिर आपने कुछ और किया वो नहीं चला या आपको पसंद नहीं आया, and you take your time 4-5 times and then you arrive at a business that you feel yeah this is what it is, और बाद में लगता है the calling actually was ठीक है, money is important, but then you find that actually इस business में there is a lot of giving and there is a lot of transformation in the society when it comes to healthcare, and that inspires you a lot. तो जो भी पहले हुआ आपकी लाइफ में वो आपको इस पॉइंट तक ड्राइव करने के लिए था कि आप एक सोसाइटी का हिस्सा बने, उस वे में आप एक कोई बिजनेस करें जहां पे आपको पैसे कमाने के अलावा एक खुशी उस लेवल की हो कि यार आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अ डिफरेंस और मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस इन द लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल, राइट? सो वी हैव seen many personalities like that. बहुत से examples हैं हमारे पास और ऐसा ही example आपके सामने आज in this episode. Welcome to another fabulous episode of the Great Indian Brand Show, and with us today is the founder director of Yellow Leaf Impects LLP. His name is Amandeep Singh Chawla. He has done his share of experimentation in various different businesses, gone through a life of changes, it's like a roller coaster ride, and finally he's into the business that he feels is so happy about, transforming the lives of people through something that has been talked about in our own scriptures for years together, for centuries together. Honey. He is the only importer of Manuka honey from New Zealand, and with us is Amandeep Singh Chawla with the miraculous Manuka honey that will definitely transform the lives of those who take it. Thank you so much, Aman, for being with us over here.
Thank you.
And you chose to come on the show. Let me just go and talk, because I really felt the miracle that you are carrying in your bag, in your pocket, and that I have experienced. Because believe me, people, मैंने हमेशा बोला मैं भुक्तभोगी हूँ. I'm not talking about words that I've heard from someone, but in this entire year 2024, when we are shooting this, I know the seasons are being released after February in 2025, but in the entire year, I felt, unwell twice or thrice, and all I did was have a teaspoon of Manuka honey every day as instructed by Aman, and I see the difference that is over here. 4 दिन पहले मेरी आवाज भी नहीं निकल रही थी. I was coughing like a bloody madman, you know. Sorry for the cuss, but that's the truth. And today I'm sitting and we are having this conversation.
Oh.
Thank you, Aman, for what you are doing. It's a miraculous product that you have.
Thank you for saying that. Thank you very much for inviting me.
This was long due और मैं चाहता था कि आप आओ because you know I have cured myself using. मैंने हमेशा बोला है लोगों कि मैं भुक्तभोगी हूँ. I am not just talking out of thin air कि मेरे को पता लगा इन्होंने बताया और मैं वही बात आपको बता रहा हूँ. नहीं, I felt sick twice or thrice this year and all I did was take Manuka honey. मैंने मतलब क्रोसिन भी सिर्फ एक रात को लिया था, बाकी टाइम मैंने Manuka honey लिया and it is amazing.
Oh, it's a great natural healer.
Yeah.
So what honey is called the closest to blood.
Yeah.
One of the thing which is closest to blood. You can change it in a lab. You change 5 elements in the honey and it'll be as good as blood. So something which is very natural, not hampered, not adulterated, fully
It's so
packed.
grainy.
It is grainy.
Yeah, उसके grains आते हैं मुंह में, you know?
So you'll feel that there's something you're having in your mouth, the viscosity, the taste.
Yeah. I lift it over spoon से गिराता ना, you see it falling slowly. It's so viscous in nature. My God, it's like an adhesive, like Fevicol kind. You know?
So it is the viscosity tells you the honey doesn't have any adulterations.
Okay. So that is a sign.
That is a sign.
अगर गाढ़ा है ना शहद, मतलब वो गिर नहीं रहा है आसानी से, या टाइम ले रहा है, पतली लेयर बनती जा रही है, लास्ट तक जा रही है, मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा हनी है.
बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. तो ये आप इतने हम आजकल हैजार्डस एनवायरनमेंट में है, पॉल्यूशन और स्टीपिंग, बच्चों की हेल्थ
लेवल बोलते हैं,
AQI लेवल्स आर वेरी वेरी हाई. सो लंग्स प्रॉब्लम बहुत कॉमन है जो बच्चे कोविड के बाद हुए हैं. एवरीबडी हैज 70% ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हैव एयर इन्फेक्शंस.
So now respiratory तो पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया में ऐसा, मतलब दिल्ली NCR तो is like totally done for because of respiratory
issues. तो ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें I say it, I have tried it on my father, on my mother, family, everyone, seen the results. Even in women, it helps on a lot of antibacterial problems, antibacterial issues, so PCOS, PCOD. So it comes in that segment as well. Again, because the properties of antibacterial properties are high, so it works on different segment in the body according to which you need. So this is how it was.
It is so important an element. You know, there's another thing मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Viewers, I don't know if you know this or not. I got to know, so I'm sharing it with you. कहते हैं कि अगर पृथ्वी को खत्म होना है ना, just kill all the bees. And within 10 years, you will be dead.
You'll be dead. Because all the fruit we eat,
everything is due to pollination.
Everything.
Bees are such an important thing. And ये bees का जो honey है,
most hard-working creature on planet.
Absolutely. And you know, they're one stingy thing. Don't mess around with them.
So it takes about 55,000 bees to create 1 jar of honey.
My God. You must have done some kind of research on this one.
Lot of research, lot of background work, lot of experience being shared from New Zealand. How it works, what is the difference, why it is at where it is, why it is premium, why people use it, prefer it. And currently in Indian market, people are getting to know about it. When they eat it, then they're like, there is nothing like it. We have not tasted anything like this before.
And it is taking time to, because they're comparing it with the regular honey that we have, and that is nowhere close to it.
Nowhere close to it.
So कोई सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता, दूर तक नजर नहीं आएगा वो.
So comparison should be done with apple to apple, not apple to pineapple.
Not apple to pineapple. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. In fact, you remember I had a very dear friend's sister who had come. She's like a relation, and she saw you talking about Manuka honey. और वापस जाते वक्त she was driving back with me and she said that कि कहती है भैया मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, यहाँ पे लोगों को पता नहीं है मनुका क्या चीज है. क्यों? कहती है कि मैं न्यूजीलैंड में ही तो रहती हूँ. कहती है एवरी हाउस होल्ड हैज मनुका ओवर देयर. वहां तो बच्चा बीमार होता है, कुछ होता है, इफ यू फीलिंग डाउन चम्मच खा लो मनुका, एक बार चलते जाओ. कहते यहाँ पे पता ही नहीं है लोगों को कि उनके हाथ में क्या है, व्हाट दे हैव द एक्सेस टू. आपके पास गोल्डन हेल्थ के लिए एक एक्सेस है, एक ऐसी चाबी.
बिल्कुल. सो वुंड हीलिंग, इंटरनल हीलिंग, antibacterial issues, anything to do with lungs, anything to do with skin care. If you have acidic problems,
Oh,
if you
skincare also, absolutely.
skincare also. So because anti-inflammatory, antibacterial.
Okay.
So anything which is related to bacterial issues,
Huh.
it will help there. So whether we have good bacteria inside the body, then it doesn't kill the good bacteria which
Yeah,
we
yeah,
need in
yeah.
the body.
Okay, okay, okay.
So-
It enhances.
Enhances. So what medicine does, it kills everything.
It kills everything.
So when
Absolutely, हाँ.
it kills everything. तो उसके बाद जब आपके नए बैक्टीरिया बनते हैं
हाँ.
तो उस दवाई से इम्यून हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, absolutely.
सो पीपल फेस कि भाई अब हम दवाई तो खा रहे हैं बट हमारे पे कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं हो रहा दवाई का. वो इसीलिए रिएक्ट नहीं होता क्योंकि वो बैक्टीरियाज मर चुके हैं जो आपको ठीक करने के लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है.
Absolutely, absolutely.
सो ये गुड बैक्टीरिया प्रमोट करता है जो आपकी बॉडी को हीलिंग के लिए, फास्टर हीलिंग के लिए नेसेसरी है.
Excellent. बहुत ही सही. बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट लेकर आए हो आप यहाँ पे. And you're the only one who is importing it in India. You are the licensed one for India?
हाँ, we are the licensed one for India. We are the only brand working directly in India. No other brand is working directly in India. So the brand we have got is Prime Health. They've been exporting to 16 countries. So with a great
Now India being one of them.
now in India being one of it. So they have yearly capacities are about 1500 tons.
Wow.
So great product. Once it is in a household, when people are using it, once they feel the change in their body, then there is no further selling. So it is all done and through it. Okay, now this we gonna eat, and this is what we give to our kids. Because जो respiratory issues जो बच्चों को आजकल कोविड में, जब कोविड के बाद से जो बच्चे को एक खांसी अगर स्कूल में होती है तो स्कूल से फ़ोन आ जाता है
हाँ.
कि जी आप अपने बच्चे को घर बुला लीजिए क्योंकि वो he or she is not feeling well.
Feeling well.
तो we have my partner has a daughter. So she is now 3 years old. She started eating when she was 2.
हाँ.
So now he himself is convinced that बच्चों के साथ रहने के बाद भी 4 महीने में वो उतना बीमार नहीं पड़ी.
Immunity इतनी बढ़ गई
Immunity
है.
बढ़ गई.
Oh my goodness, that's so amazing to learn.
So for kids it is excellent because they are away from medicine. The first thing, the last thing we want to do is give medicines which are going haywire and वो बच्चे खा रहे हैं.
हाँ, absolutely. How many pills? देखो यार, there's our family doctor always says this, you know. He says that कि सुदर्शन ऐसा है, अगर दवाई खानी होती ना सारा टाइम, तो पेड़ों पे ना दवाई लगी होती कि इस बार तू ये सोफ्रामाइसिन लगा ले और वो ये वाला माइसिन और व्हाटएवर अमोक्सिसिलिन खा ले. ये सब पेड़ से लटक रहे होते हैं, फल फूल नहीं होते. ठीक है. सो जितना कम पिल्स उतनी ज्यादा बढ़िया जिंदगी. एंड बिलीव मी, आई ट्राइड टू फॉलो इट दिस ईयर. मैंने पूरे साल आई हार्डली हैड एनी पिल, नो मैटर व्हाट. डीप ब्रीदिंग, देन आई टुक मनुका हनी एंड मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं लेना ही नहीं है. अब एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन में मैंने 1 या 2 बार लिया होगा. दैट्स इट. बट आई डिडंट डू अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट. सो इट इज सो अमेजिंग. ये इंडिक सिस्टम है, इट्स मोर लाइक दैट. एंड आई थिंक आयुर्वेदा में भी बहुत मेंशन्ड है.
आयुर्वेदा में तो इट इज कॉल्ड एलिक्सिर्स ऑफ
द एलिक्सिर्स ऑफ लाइफ.
एलिक्सिर्स ऑफ लाइफ, एलिक्सिर्स ऑफ गो. इट्स अ गॉड फूड.
गॉड फूड.
सो द बेसिक हनी जितना पुराना,
आई थिंक यही ना,
मधु
से ही तो
मधु. सो अब वो इतना पुराना है शहद कि लोग कहते हैं कि जी जब से मैनकाइंड है तब से शहद है. और शहद एक ऐसी चीज है विच डजंट एक्सपायर. अगर नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है, नॉट अडल्टरेटेड. हाँ, तो द ओल्डर सो इट वर्क्स लाइक वाइन.
Oh,
so the older it gets, the better it is. So that's how the honey works. So honey, because it is the only it is a live bacteria basically. It's a good bacteria which you are eating, but it's a live product. If you test it under microscope, you'll see a live microorganisms in honey.
In honey. Yeah, absolutely.
And you'll see it what sort of change, because when you eat for 45 days, 50 days, month or 2 months, then down the line you will see the changes, how drastically it has changed.
Drastically it is changing. Yeah. Absolutely. So I'll ask you one thing that you've been a serial entrepreneur, बहुत सारी चीजें की. You have a plastic unit also, if I'm
Yes,
not
yes,
mistaken,
yes.
around 11-12
हाँ
years old. And then उससे पहले you did another kind of a business आपने किया था.
हाँ, I was in multi-level marketing.
Multi
उससे पहले
MLM. हाँ, that is what transformed you. You
हाँ.
said that, you know,
So
basically.
before
उससे पहले you
that,
were back in something else.
हाँ, so before that, so I came back from Europe,
Yeah.
finished my education, came back as usual कि भाई चलो घर आ जाओ वापस, बहुत हो गया, बहुत ऐश कर ली, घर वापस आओ. तो वो करते केटरिंग का काम शुरू किया. केटरिंग का काम कुछ हर्डल्स में आया तो वो काम फिर छोड़ दिया. उसके बीच में 6-8 महीने का पीरियड वाज वेरी वेरी रफ, ड्रास्टिकली रफ. टर्न टुवर्ड्स अल्कोहल,
Oh
नो
my God.
नो वर्क, नो नथिंग, नॉट थिंकिंग स्ट्रेट. देन डाउन द लाइन आई डोंट नो हु, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड के यार एमएलएम करेगा. डिडंट हैड अ क्लू कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, जस्ट गॉट इनटू इट.
Okay.
So only thing it did is I got to meet my wife.
Wow.
Yeah. So my one of the
Destiny works in so many ways.
so I got to meet my wife, one of my biggest supporting pillars.
Absolutely. All our wives are definitely. Without them,
And
though.
I learned how to be positive in every goddamn situation.
Wow.
And there I got to learn कि भाई one income stream is never enough,
Wow.
which I saw my father falling in and failing after certain years, because I feel कि आप एक लाइन के अगर राजा हो तो आप उस लाइन के राजा सिर्फ 10-12 साल के लिए हो.
हाँ, क्योंकि everybody will evolve ना.
Everybody
Industry
will evolve,
करके,
yeah.
How long can you go further? मतलब कितनी आगे? I used to tell this to मेरे, see, I'm a brand building consultant. You know that.
Yeah.
मेरी टीम में भी लोग, we had a team of 15 people. Now we are a compact 5-6 people. वो अलग है. And we were happy with whatever we're doing and doing good work, enjoying it. उस टाइम पे when these people were working with me, you know, designers, and I used to tell them कि बॉस तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ 6 साल है, जितना टाइम तुम मेरे पास हो. मतलब मैंने कहा उसके बाद टेक्नोलॉजी वहां जाएगी कि तुम्हारा फोटोशॉप कोई नहीं पूछने वाला. तब तुम क्या करोगे? Get into design, get into concept. Don't just become a graphic designer who is just putting elements together. Get into the study, aesthetics. आप अगर तब जाओगे, then you have an idea, क्योंकि आपको उस काम के तब 20 मिल रहे हैं, 25-30 मिल रहे हैं. I'm talking way back 2005. 30,000 was a very good salary.
आज ग्राफिक डिजाइन एआई ने खत्म कर दिया.
Absolutely.
तो अब हम जितना, अच्छा पॉपुलेशन ग्रो हो रही है, उतना ही हम नेचुरल चीज़ों से दूर हैं.
हाँ.
उतना ही हम क्योंकि हमारे को इतनी पॉपुलेशन फीड करनी है तो सबका पेट भरना है, तो हाइब्रिड फार्मिंग हो रही है. हाँ, टू मच. अगर आज आप किसी भी सॉइल का टेस्ट कराते हैं जहाँ पे फार्मिंग हो रही है,
It's going to give shocking results.
Absolute bonkers result. You'll like, why I'm eating the food? Because soil doesn't have that nutrition.
It doesn't have.
And then the hybrid seeds. So it all interrelated again. Then you consume it, then you go to doctors, then you take medicines. It is all vice versa cycle that it keeps repeating.
Absolutely, absolutely. मतलब ना मैं कल I was watching a video in WhatsApp, and this lady had sent a video. कहती है, I'm so afraid now. I really, if there is one thing that I want to do, this. So it was, in fact, one of our participants in the show. You know, so she had sent this reply that what is the thing that you like to do? She says, I want to share, you know, my childhood with my children. How I used to go out and play hide and seek and all that. And today we can't even imagine that. You know, मतलब I was so touched by that ना, मतलब कि वो कितनी सही बात है.
बिल्कुल है वो हमारी. आप मेरे से बड़े हो, आपका बचपन, इफ यू रिमेम्बर द बचपन कैसा था.
God,
मेरा बचपन के किसी पेड़ पे चढ़े हुए हैं, अमरूद तोड़ रहे हैं,
पेड़ पे चढ़ के अमरूद तोड़े हैं, शहतूत तोड़ के खाए वो.
अच्छा, शहतूत वो कभी जिंदगी में धोया नहीं था.
हाँ, कभी नहीं ना अमरूद धोया, वो ऐसे पेड़ से तोड़ के खाया हमने. तो
अब
कहाँ गए वो दिन वाली बात है. आज आप वो नहीं कर सकते. पाइप, पार्क में पाइप से लेके पानी, ग्रीन वाली चल के पानी पीना, और बॉल गिर गई नाले में, उसको लेके उसी पानी से धो रहे, वही वाला पानी पी रहे. यू नो, वी हैव बिकम सो मतलब फ्रेजाइल इन एवरी वे.
हाँ, इतने फ्रेजाइल, क्योंकि आसपास का माहौल फ्रेजाइल हो गया है।
Yeah.
हमारी बॉडी में जो आज से 20 साल पहले हम खाना खाते थे,
हाँ।
आज वो खाना ही नहीं है।
आज वो नहीं है, so we have to
तो
look after.
बॉडी को लुक आफ्टर उस तरीके से करना है।
Yeah.
तो 100 चीज़ें गलत डाल सकते हो, पर एक तो ठीक डाले।
Yeah. So I'll come to this one. ये जो एक जो ठीक डाले उसके ऊपर मैं एक बात पूछना चाहूंगा. How did you end up with Manuka honey?
हमने ये शुरू किया, किसी के साथ लगे लगे 1.5 साल निकल गया, इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं आई, उनको शायद हमारे पे कॉन्फिडेंस कम था या जो भी रीज़न। 2019 अक्टूबर वी कॉल्ड इट ऑफ कि भाई वी विल डू इट, बट खुद करेंगे।
Okay.
एंड लुक एट द लक, 2020 मार्च कोविड हिट।
COVID hit.
सो एवरीबडी
हाँ.
in UK, US, Europe were
Wanted
mad about Manuka
Manuka
honey.
honey.
Everything was sold off within 2 weeks.
That's a good positioning. You can use mad about Manuka.
Mad about, crazy mad about Manuka. And I remember getting so many calls from the relatives, from the people I know, or who knew that I have some connect in New Zealand honey. They wanted me to figure out कि how we can get honey from there to here, but कोई courier service नहीं, कुछ नहीं। But then I was like, okay, ये कुछ हम कर सकते हैं,
ये कुछ कर सकते हैं.
ये कुछ कर सकते हैं। कोविड है या नहीं है, it is gonna be a regular need for people, because किसको बार बार बीमार होना है?
नहीं, definitely. I get it.
सबको लिखा है कि ठीक रहना है, बच्चे ठीक रहे, बच्चों की हेल्थ आज सबसे प्रायोरिटी पे लोग रखते हैं।
खुद की भी हेल्थ यार. See, because when we are growing, as we are growing ना, we are getting onto the wrong side of the age.
हाँ,
अब my father still does brisk walking at 88 years. And I only feel कि यार I am able to walk.
हाँ,
Although अभी you know that a lot of our common friends they say कि यार ये 50 साल की उम्र में कितना फिट है अभी भी बोलते हैं. So I think that has come through the genes. But then genes बात अलग है. If I do not respect my body, it is going to go for a toss.
बिल्कुल है।
Absolutely.
बॉडी हमारा टेम्पल है, तो वही एक उसके लिए आई फील के आप इसके साथ क्या कर रहे हो वो किसी को समझ आए ना है, 40 के बाद बॉडी अपने आप समझा देती
So
है।
I'll ask one thing regarding, because it's good to talk about, let people know what Manuka is. What makes it so special?
So there is a content called DHA and MGO.
हाँ.
It is not to be found in any other honey in the world. So these two contents make it most premium honey in the world. So DHA is helpful for the body and same as MGO. So the higher the MGO gets, the more and more potent and the more antibacterial property honey has.
Okay.
So MGO starts from 30 plus, goes up to 2200.
Okay.
So the higher it climbs, the rarer and more potent the honey gets, the more power honey has. So basically, if you are consuming a low grade honey, low, not a C class or a grade wise, means the power of honey, the potency of the honey is little low. You'll see the results in 40 days. If you comparing it to the higher grade honey, you'll see the result in 15-20 days.
Okay. So like as in homeopathy, different potency होता है. Manuka also comes in different potency.
So
okay, what is it? How do you figure out कि कौन सी क्या potency?
So there is a test called, we do 16 tests. So there are 16 tests done through, and which derives where the Manuka honey is. It is called unique Manuka factor, UMF. So it is done on every batch, every single batch before exports come out of New Zealand. So UMF tells us where the honey is. So UMF 5, 10, 15, 20.
So this is the potency.
This is the potency. So as it climbs higher, more potent honey,
faster the result,
and the honey gets rarer, and that's how it gets premium. Because उसकी उतनी availability कम है, not because कि वो grade बढ़ रहा है इसलिए पैसे बढ़ रहे हैं, but उसकी उतनी availability भी नहीं है.
Okay. The rarer to find.
So because Manuka honey is only grown for 4 to 6 weeks in 1 year.
Oh.
So can you imagine कि only
millions of bees must be must be harvesting
There are
them.
millions of bees. So for in 6 weeks, whatever we are selling or we export, it is all to be done and planned in 6 weeks.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
So a lot of back end work is being involved, lot of beekeeping, lot of people involved in the back end. Then the processing comes in, then the packaging unit, then the blending unit, lot of operation. But the only thing, just to get into a jar.
Just to get into a jar. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, it's a kind of a, on the higher side, वो तो है ही expensive तो
हाँ
है।
हाँ प्रीमियम है।
कहाँ पे 200
हाँ
रुपए का
हाँ
आता है, यहाँ पे वो 5 potency का ही 3000 का है
हाँ
वो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
But then, friends, it's not about the 3000, it's about the difference it is making. It is
See when
class.
I feel कि अब कोई डॉक्टर लिख के अगर कोई दवाई देता है तब यूजली हम वो प्राइस पूछना भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि हमारे को सामने वाले की हेल्थ दिख रही होती है जिसके लिए हमने वो दवाई लिखी है या लिखवाई है डॉक्टर से।
So on this I would like to understand, this is like more we're talking about, business to consumer kind of a thing, like for people and all that. Now, if I ask you, what is the industry that you are catering to? What are you looking for in this one? matlab, where does it have an industrial use, Manuka?
Yes, it has a great industrial use. So pharma segment is one of the biggest. तो pharma में syrup, it is used in syrups, it is used in foot care products, it is used in pet care, it is used in lozenges, it is used in vials. It is used in nutraceuticals, it is used in sore throat sprays, lot of uses. But depending which grade to use and what sort of result you are looking out of Manuka honey.
Okay.
So face mask में, syrups में, multiple uses. अब wound healing में, it's a very very big game changer in wound healing. So US Army का सबसे बड़ा order is for Manuka honey band-aids.
Okay.
They give it to their soldiers.
It is available in the form of band-aids.
In the form of band-aids. Because the potency of wound healing is about 5.6% faster than if you leave it open or use any medicine.
My God.
And this is not us saying. There is these are backed by research out of DRDO, out of a reputed institution which has done a research and has studies on this.
You also mentioned that you, because you have spoken on earlier occasions and you're looking into, pharmaceutical companies because I think it's a key ingredient for them.
Yes. Companies which are manufacturing syrups, cough syrups, and exporting to other countries, their base product is honey.
Honey.
So from grade to grade it can change. Different usage it can create. So basically, currently we are in a sampling state with one of the biggest brand of India in ice creams.
Arre wah.
So they want to make Manuka honey ice cream.
Oh wow, that is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
It will be a huge push for the brand.
It will be a huge push. Yeah. It will be a huge push.
So you're not looking at B2C sales directly?
We are, but focus is completely.
How are you doing it?
So we have our portal healthsouk.com.
Yeah, so please spell it loud. So viewers, please have a look at the bottom of the screen, dekho, and go to their website and you must order Manuka honey over there.
The healthsouk.com is our portal.
हाँ.
So जो ग्रेड हम यहाँ कर रहे हैं वो सारे ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हैं. So from 5, 10, 15, 20 you'll see the grades there. Lower grades which are Clover and Kanuka, those can be used for dilution. Other 4 grades are not to be used in dilution. It has to be eaten directly to see the result.
So I'll ask you one thing. Can we do something like this? I don't know. Please, you look into it. You've been very kind to come. Suppose people go from this, what do you say, after having watched this episode, can we have a discount tickets coupon on your portal that, okay, agar aap the Great Indian Brand Show ka coupon use karenge, then you might get some discount to buy that honey. Let's try and do something like that.
It'll get you 15% extra discount, whatever will be running on the website.
Wow.
So
So there you go.
So we'll create a code and we'll
Uh-huh.
give it to you.
Yeah.
And it'll be good to go.
Yeah, we'll just run it across and we'll ask people to use that code and we'll market it and we'll see what can be done.
Yeah,
ऐसा
that'll
होने
be
के
it.
लिए. So that is so amazing, you know. I think, you know, क्योंकि लोगों को see इसके अंदर another thing, just look at it. The heart to do that kind of an action coming from Amandeep. I mean, there are no words. I'm truly humbled by that gesture. I know I asked for it and he's readily given it. So it is really, thank you so much
No worries, no
for
worries.
honoring us
My
that
pleasure,
way.
my pleasure.
For literally honoring us that way, because I think
So see,
will be amazing.
it is not about you saying or me giving.
Huh.
It is about people who will get benefit.
Who will get the benefit?
And I'm telling you, when they'll call you and tell you, thank you.
Huh.
You suggested this. My son, my daughter, my parent, or my someone in the family is feeling better.
Absolutely. Yeah.
There is no better
second
feeling.
equal to that.
There
नहीं,
is
वो
no
बात
better
बिल्कुल
feeling.
ठीक है. You know, उसका कोई इतना तोड़ नहीं है. उसका
हाँ.
ना उसके बदले में और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ.
जब कोई वापस आ गया,
पर्सनल
आपने
एक्सपीरियंस
like,
मेरे को
absolutely.
एक हमारे क्लाइंट ने हमसे यही फोन करके, यार मैं भाभी कांट टेक एनी मेडिसिन. उनको एंटीबायोटिक से एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस पैदा हो गई. तो द ओनली थिंग आस्क मी, अमन प्लीज डोंट मेक अ फूल आउट ऑफ मी. Please tell me if this is original Manuka New Zealand honey. It is. There is a certificate. Please keep this certificate. And he asked me कि कितना देना है. 2 teaspoons a day. And I can't tell you, after eating for 5 months, 5 jars in a row for 5 months, she is off everything.
Wow.
So that was when they called me up explaining this. It was like, I was like, okay,
heaven freezes over.
This is like uncalled blessing. क्योंकि हमारे में कहते हैं, आई एम फ्रॉम अ सरदार फैमिली, कहते हैं कि जी दसवंत निकालो, सेवा करो, वापस आता है. तो मेरे लिए ये सेवा है.
तो सेवा ही है एक तरीके की. बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. नहीं, दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग एंड आई एम सो, this is where, you know, our principles match, our ethics match, and what our goals and dreams match. Because see, we came up with this idea of this show so that, you know, these kind of stories get told to people and people understand and know the potential that the entrepreneurs of our country carry, basically.
You are very kind to see a story. I still feel is a long way ahead.
You've written here, I still feel I am walking towards success, not galloping.
Not haven't achieved what I want to. But again, yes, slow.
Yeah, it's on the path. That is the reason why we are all here, you know, because see, we are all going to become big. Big in the way means like making a big difference.
Yes.
That's what greatness is all about. So Great Indian Brand Show, you know, it's not about the greatness on the bank balance side or what the band at the end of the day grosses out to be top line, bottom line. It's about the intention behind that.
So my bottom line is, whenever I leave this world, I just want to, somehow, if I could know how many people came.
Yeah.
So at my funeral, whenever I go, so I want to, you know, create a difference के जहाँ पे वो दिखे कि हाँ यार कोई important इंसान क्या है. As I didn't had words when Mr. Tata passed away. The only thing I could see is how many people benefited, how many people grown under him, कितनी दुनिया उनको मिलने आई कि हाँ last goodbye कहने आई.
Absolutely.
He'll be a very, very big.
Somebody had written RIP was return if possible, not rest in peace. You know, so that was one of the sweetest things I've ever seen. Whoever came with that was a gem of an idea. Yeah, that's excellent. What it is all about. I mean, so amazing. So let's see how we can work together on this one. It's really amazing. बहुत अच्छा लगा with what the kind of insights that you have given regarding Manuka, the different kind of potencies, the ailments it can be used for, the differentiator, the UMF certification, the brand differentiator, and where you're positioning it to people who are looking actually to improve their health, you know, the lifestyle, become better because they are stronger because there are worse times ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is really counting inside this
So
one.
as we say कि AQ बढ़ता AQI
Yeah.
बढ़े आप ये खाओ
Yeah.
आपको respiratory issues नहीं होंगे.
Absolutely. And then definitely pharma companies, if you're looking into somebody into a pharma company, this is the brand that you need to use in your, concoctions. Definitely.
It can
And,
be used in a base
yeah, yeah.
product.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you
so-
can go down to the website, drop in email or something like that, and
We are readily available
go
there.
and we'll flash your email also on this one so that people can get in touch with you and write to you and know more about it. So on that note, I would like you talking about health. So we thought we have something that we would like to gift you with as a part of good health. Here, this is gluten-free flour, gluten-free cookies, gluten-free namkeen kind, from one of our sponsors who were here last time also.
Yeah.
They've been kind enough to sponsor it again. So this is something from our side to you. Because लगा कि आपको gift करना चाहिए. Thank you so much for being on the show. And then now with that, I'll just keep it down and we will pack it up for you when you're about to leave.
Yeah.
Right? And we'll just go. We have another 5 minutes to do, and I'll take you through a rapid fire round over here. So let's see something. Let's have some fun. We've talked about some real good stuff.
Yeah.
So one word that defines entrepreneurship.
Hard work.
Hard work. There we go. The worst thing that a brand owner could ever do.
Depend on outside money.
Depend on outside money. That is so important. It's the very first kind of an insight that I've got. अपने पैसे से ही करना है, बाहर के पैसे से नहीं करना. You will get into a swamp.
हाँ एक इन्वेस्टर होता है एक स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टर होता है.
Yeah, absolutely. The easiest way to make a brand sell.
Easiest way to make brand sell, don't sell.
Don't sell. Let people outstanding. People don't like to buy what you sell.
Yes.
People love buying what they like.
What they experience.
Yeah, talk about experience.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I have recently written an article, How to Murder Your Brand. I will give it to you because it is based on what you are saying. Sales never get you anywhere. Branding gets you all the places that
So
you need.
intention is clear to सामने वाला person immediately कि ये
absolutely.
क्या
You
हो
said
रहा
that.
है.
People can sense over smartness from a
हाँ,
mind. Okay, the greatest offer you can give to a customer.
That the product will be 100% pure and genuine.
100% pure. Definitely. 100% pure. And for tea gives that 15% discount. Thank you so much for that.
Arey
The
no
one
worries.
word compliment you can give to your team.
Oh, they are the backbone.
Backbone,
They built everything.
हाँ, वो खड़े
I
थे।
was the only one who got the product. The design, my team, graphic designer Ashmita, or designing packaging,
she's
labeling.
brilliant.
She's excellent.
She's excellent.
Out of the world.
Yeah. The place where advertising agencies go wrong when it comes to branding, this kind of a product.
I would say that they going on multiple fronts at the same time.
Yeah. Let's go channel by channel.
Channel by
एक-एक
channel.
करके
Hello,
yeah.
people had to know
Don't
about
go
it.
to carpet bombing. Go by, just strategize themes, specific kind of a marketing, right? That's really amazing. बिल्कुल ठीक. Perfect. The best compliment you would love to hear regarding your brand?
My family member got
Cured.
okay with that.
phone call that you got.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that can't replace
That is
everything. It can't be replaced.
One thing you say to yourself first thing when you get up in the morning.
Just keep doing it.
Just keep doing it. Have a teaspoon of honey and start your day. Absolutely. And one thing you say to yourself before going to sleep at night.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow is another day. So see, कितना simple formula है. चलो एक और दिन है आज और कल एक और दिन है. Why complicate stuff, I think it's all...
Beginning of life, end of life.
Yeah.
Nothing can be controlled in between.
Absolutely.
All Bhole Baba.
Absolutely. सब भोले बाबा.
सब भोले बाबा का.
Yeah. बम बम बोले.
Yeah.
Jai Baba Barfani. Literally. So the last question. So you are a sort of a master when it comes to the qualities of honey that you know.
Yeah.
And जितना आप बता रहे हो उसके बारे में UMF and bacteria and MGO and DMH or something.
DHA.
I was quite close. Not bad for the first timer, right? So one guru tip that you would like to give to your peers who are watching this episode.
So, look for UMF certification whenever you are buying Manuka honey, whether it's my brand or any other brand. So there is no hidden agenda. Just look for UMF certification. That's it.
Unique Manuka
Factor. That's how Manuka honey is controlled and described.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And for having done that, you win another wonderful prize from our sponsor. This is a range of skincare and hair care cosmetics from Dr. Meenus. You know, you can use it, you can share it with your wife, family. And
for family.
they were for sponsors last time also, this time also. So I feel really happy and thank all these people, wonderful people for taking part in our show. Thank you so much. We'll pack it up for you and we'll give it to you.
Yeah.
So there's another last 30 seconds that I would take from you. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हर एक चीज का एक सीजन होता है. हनी को खाने का क्या सीजन है? कोई कहते हैं गर्मियों में नहीं खाना चाहिए, सिर्फ सर्दियों में, या ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ये सबसे बड़ा मिथ है कि सर्दियों में खाना चाहिए और गर्मियों में नहीं खाना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सिर्फ उसको 20 डिग्री के टेम्परेचर में रखना है, बेसिकली आपका रूम टेम्परेचर, और आपको उसको कंज्यूम करना है. अगर ये इस मैथ्स पे होगा कि आपको गर्मियों में नहीं खाना, तो यूएई वाले कभी जिंदगी में शहद नहीं खाएंगे. जितनी गर्मी वहाँ होती है.
हम लोग गर्मियों में उसको फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हैं?
हाँ, रख सकते हैं. उसकी विस्कोसिटी की वजह से वो थोड़ा टाइट हो जाएगा. उसको आप थोड़ी देर बाहर रखेंगे, वो अगेन मेल्ट हो जाएगा. तो ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि सिर्फ सर्दियों में खाना है, आपको गर्माइश फील कराता है. ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप पढ़ेंगे तो हनी की तासीर ठंडी होती है. शीतलता.
हाँ. मधु बोलने में, मधु में ही तो ठंडा है, बोलने में शीतल लगता है.
वो एक आई गेस सर्दियों में लोगों को कंफर्टेबल लगता है, इसलिए वो मिसकंसेप्शन है.
ओके. लास्ट वन, व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल सक्सेस मंत्रा इन लाइफ?
माय पर्सनल सक्सेस मंत्रा, आई गेस मैं बहुत बार गिरा हूँ, बहुत बार खड़ा हुआ हूँ. तो मेरे को बहुत सारे चीज़ें सुन के, देख के यही समझ आया कि यार खड़े होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
खड़े होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You'll keep falling.
हाँ, you'll keep falling.
This is the one of the best. और आपने इतने मतलब unabashedly, without any pretense, आपने इतनी सारी चीजें बताई. Even the alcohol thing that you talked about, yeah. So it's amazing. Hats off. I think it's happening again in this season also. Our director, Mr. Ratan Sonal, has a question. Yes, please.
Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, very good.
I have a question basically.
हाँ जी.
So I have two daughters.
हाँ जी.
So I just feel कि मुझे लगा कि एक क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछ लेना चाहिए आपसे.
जी.
क्योंकि बहुत से दर्शक ऐसे होंगे हमारे जिनको ये क्वेश्चन जहन में होगा, और मैं चाहता हूँ कोई क्लियर हो जाए.
हाँ.
कि बच्चों को क्या ये जो शहद हम लेते हैं, शहद को क्या डॉक्टर के हिसाब से लेना चाहिए, और क्या कोई भी कितनी भी मात्रा में ले सकता है इसको?
नहीं. अच्छा, 0 से 12 महीने के बच्चे को शहद नहीं देना. हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं देना.
बट शहद जब पैदा होता है सबसे पहले शहद चढ़ाया जाता है?
नहीं. इट्स अ रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस.
ओके.
हाँ, अगर किसी को शहद 12 महीने के बाद आप शहद दे सकते हैं, और 1 से 2 टीस्पून उसको खाना है. इसमें किसी डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर किसी को बी प्रोडक्ट से एलर्जी है, उसको शहद नहीं खाना. कई बार वो आपको स्किन पे लगाने से समझ आ जाएगा, हनी लगाने से ही समझ आ जाएगा कि बच्चे को एलर्जी है कि नहीं.
तो इसका क्या कंफर्मेशन है कि जो आप जिस शहद की बात करें, मतलब ये शहद प्योरिटी आइडेंटिफाई है कि ये सही है और ये गलत है?
अब ये चीज़ें अब क्या है, उसके कलर और इसके कलर में बहुत फ़र्क है. विस्कोसिटी वो रनी नहीं है. जैसे वो ड्रिपिंग हनी आपको दिखते हैं, जो गोल्ड सा सिरप
वैसा
होता ही नहीं है. और अगर आप व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग इन अ पार्क, अगर आप किसी पार्क में जाते हैं, कोई फूल दिखता है और आप वो फूल तोड़ के खाते हैं, तो फूल कभी मीठा नहीं हो सकता. तो ये शहद भी वैसा ही है. हल्की बिटरनेस है, आपको फील होगी, आपकी टंग पे फील होगा. आप एक चम्मच खाएंगे, आपका माउथ फुल ऐसा फील होगा कि आपने कुछ एक हैवी चीज़ खाई है. तो ये काफ़ी सारे छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हनी टेस्ट करने के बाद और मनुका हनी खाने के बाद आपको समझ आती है कि इसमें डिफरेंस क्यों है, इतना इस चीज़ में फ़र्क क्यों है.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
So on that entire thing, thank you so much Ratan for that question. It was very important. I am sure बहुत सारे लोगों को मदद मिली होगी उस चीज़ से जानने के लिए कि मतलब how do you figure out what's pure and what's not pure.
Yeah.
And on the entire thing, what you said, keep standing up and keep moving ahead. I would like to gift you this wonderful book called Find Your White Space by Dr. Vikram A. Munshi.
Okay.
He's a PhD doctor. His company is called White Space Consulting and Capability Building.
Okay.
They're among India's top 10 healthcare management consulting companies. And a very good connect, I guess. I
Very
would
good
like
connect.
to introduce you because he works with all the pharma giants.
Oh, that's great.
Right? So this is a beautiful book on discovering the white space within you, like you discovered within you after a roller coaster of
Yeah.
a life. And you must read this. It is one of the best things that has ever come across me. It is from one entrepreneur's heart to
To
another
another.
entrepreneur. And
Thank you.
all real. There are 3 incidences which will help you understand वो चीजें कि हम तो कहना चाहते हैं लेकिन हम दिख नहीं पाते.
वो
So
लिखी हुई है.
beautifully written. Please do read this
I will.
and write on LinkedIn about this one,
I will.
and I'll get you to meet him for sure, definitely.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
So on that note, we thank Amandeep Singh Chawla for having come to the show with us. The Great Indian Brand Show, another fabulous episode with Manuka Honey and the person who is bringing it to the country, Amandeep Singh Chawla. Thank you so much for being with us over here. एक दूसरे का साथ देते रहिए, आगे बढ़ेगा. साथ देगा इंडिया तभी आगे बढ़ेगा. इंडिया हम लोग 140 करोड़ की जनता नहीं, सपोर्ट सिस्टम है. Let's support each other. Let's rise together as a nation and show the entrepreneurial spirit that we carry. That is what greatness is all about. जीतो भारत का दिल. अगले हफ्ते we are going to come back with another fabulous episode of another guest and who will take us on the spiraling and rocketing journey. See you until then. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's rocket launching day.